Garvit, and I learned many things in this year. In English, I learned like adjectives and pronouncing and etc. In maths, I learned measuring the things. In the science, I learned about solid, liquid and gas, and condensation and evaporation, and matter, mass and property. And the most important thing I learned is online sessions. During coronavirus, I learned online sessions. Nothing can stop us by studying more. Thank you. Bye.